In this video, I am gonna show you how do hidden files appear in Windows 11. Show hidden files in Windows 11. One of the things that have changed in Windows 11 compared to Windows 10 is the File Explorer interface and settings, which make it difficult to tweak some simple basic tools like showing hidden files. Our simple guide will show you how to unhide hidden files in simple steps. 1. Navigate to the location of the file you want to show. 2. Open the file browser settings. Click on the three dots above the address bar, then go to the bottom of the menu that will appear and select Options. 3. Go to the View window. 4. Enable the appearance of hidden files. Click on the circle next to Show Hidden Files, Folder, and Drives, then click OK to show you the hidden files. We are done. See you next time. MD was with you on everything. PS.